to my YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about GitHub. GitHub is an online software to manage your code base or to manage your team. Okay, so on GitHub you can host your repository, code repository. You can create it either as a private repository or a public repository. Usually, you would have observed that when you're working on any of the open source code, right? It is usually public so that people can collaborate, okay, they make some changes, send a PR, pull request, which is, and then it get reviewed and merged into the main branch or master branch. Okay, this helps in collaboration as well. Okay, and also it gives you the complete control of your code repository. Okay, so if you are a developer or a tester, I would always recommend you, if you don't have your GitHub account, get it. Okay, so it will help you in viewing all the public repository. You can fork the code, you can work on those code and make changes as per your need, right? Also, you can host your own GitHub repository, which is either public or even private, and you can collaborate with your friends, colleagues, okay, or with anyone. Okay, okay, that's the beauty of. So you from here you can get it a free account if you are an individual. Okay, once you have created your GitHub account and verified your email address, you can log in using your account. Okay, and you need to create a new repository. Okay, on top right corner you will find this plus icon. Click on this, you will find a new repository link. Click on this as well. Okay, you will be redirected to the create a new repository page. Here I will be giving my repository name, let's say intro to get. Okay, and give the description. This is a sample git repo. Okay, now you need to be little careful here which type of repository you are creating, whether it is a public repository or a private repository. Public repository is visible to everyone over internet. Okay, it can be seen by anyone. Your code can be seen, okay, forked or copied, anything. Okay, but with a private repository is just visible to you and your team whom you are inviting. Okay, for now I'm selecting private repository. Okay, you can add a readme file. For now I'm not checking it. Okay, you can add a git ignore file, which we have already added in our repository, so I'm not going to do that as well. And you can add a license file. Okay, for now I'm just keeping it as is, it's none. Okay, so hit create repository. This is going to create a new repository with the intro to git name. Okay, and if you can recognize, it is private repo. Okay, it's under your username. Okay, so here now I want to link my repository which we have created locally with my remote repository, which is this repository. Okay, so that my code base is always available in remote repository and it can be accessed by anyone else. It's just on my local system, right?